everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to answer again the number problem grade 7 part 2. The number 2 problem, the sum of 3 consecutive odd integers is 81. Find the 3 consecutive odd integers. So our solution, we have to make first representation. Let x be the first consecutive odd integers and x plus 2 be the second consecutive odd integers and x plus 4 be the third consecutive odd integers. After the representation, our next steps is to make an equation. Since the problem asking for the sum of 3 consecutive integers and it's equal to 81. So we have the equation x plus 2 plus x plus 4 equals 81. Then after making the equation, we have to solve the equation. So the equation x plus 2 plus x plus 4 equals 81. We're going to combine like terms like we have 3x plus 2 plus 4 equals 6 equals 81. And then transpose the positive 6 to the right side of the equation. It becomes now negative 6. Then just bring down the 3x and 81. Then simplify 81 minus 6 equals 75. Then just bring down the 3x. Then since we're computing for the value of x, so we're going to divide both sides by 3. 3x divided by 3 equals x and 75 divided by 3 equals 25. This is the first equation. The first consecutive is x equals to 25. The next we're going to find the second consecutive odd integers. So x plus 2 equals 25, the value of x plus 2 equals 27. And next find the third odd integers. X plus 4 equals 25 plus 4 equals 29. So our complete answer now, the 3 consecutive odd integers are 25, 27, and 29. Okay, the next number, the sum of 3 consecutive even integers is 102. Find the 3 consecutive even integers. Okay, our solution, representation. Let x be the first consecutive even integer. X plus 2 be the second consecutive even integers. And x plus 4 be the third consecutive even integers. Then the next, after representation, our next step is to make an equation. How to make an equation? So let's go back to the questions. The questions is asking for the sum of 3 consecutive even integers. So we have to add our 3 representation, which is x plus 2 plus x plus 4 equals 102. Next, solve the equation. X plus 2 plus x plus 4 equals 102. Then x plus x equals 3x, 2 plus 4 equals 6 equals 102. Then we're going to transpose the 6 to the right side of the equation, becomes negative 6. Then bring down the 3x. Then next, simplify 102 minus 6 equals 96, bring down 3x. Then we have to solve for x by dividing both sides by 3. So 3x divided by 3 equals x, and 96 divided by 3 equals 32. So find the second consecutive even integer, our next step. So x plus 2, since the value of x is 32 plus 2 equals 34. Next, find the third consecutive integers, x plus 4. The value of x is 32 plus 4 equals 36. Our complete answer now, the 3 consecutive even integers are 32, 34, and 36. Okay, another problem, number 5. The product of 2 consecutive integers is 72. Find the 2 consecutive integers. Our solution, first we have to make a representation. Let x be the first consecutive integer, and x plus 1 be the second consecutive integers. And after that, we are going to make an equation. The equation x, the first integers, and the second integers, and the problem is asking for the product, so we're going to multiply the second integer to the first integer, and it's equals to 72. Then x times x equals x squared, then x times 1 equals x equals 72. Then x squared plus x, so we cannot combine, so we're going to transpose negative 72 to the left side of the equation, equals 0. So the result now is quadratic equation. Since quadratic equation, we're going to solve this by factoring. So we have now x plus 9 times x plus negative 8 equals 0. Then we're going to equate by 0. So x plus 9 equals 0, then transpose 9 to the left side of the equation equals negative 9. And the other one is x negative 8 equals to 0, then transpose to the right side of the equation becomes x equals to 8. So we have the two integers now. For x equals to 8, the two consecutive integers are 8 and 9. And for x equals to negative 9, the two consecutive integers are negative 9 and negative 8. We're going to study again how to solve the H problem and grade 7. Number 1 problem. The age of the father is twice as old as his sons. If the sum of their ages is 84, how old are they now? So asking for the present age, then we're going to analyze the age of the sons. We do not know, that's why we're going to represent this as x, and the age of the father is twice means 2x. So let x be the age of the son, 2x the age of the father, and the problem stated of the sum, meaning to say we're going to add the x and the 2x, meaning the x is the son and 2x is the father. So that's why we have, in our representation, we have be the sum of their ages. So the equation now, we have x plus 2x, then to complete the sentence for the equation, equals to 84. Then we have to solve the equation, x plus 2x equals 84, then combine like terms, x plus 2x equals 3x, then just bring down the 84. And we're going to solve for x, so we're going to divide both sides by 3. So 3x divided by 3 equals x, and 84 divided by 3 equals x is 28. So if we're going to check if our answer is correct, the age of the son is 28. The age of the father is twice of the age of the son, which is 28 times is equals to 56. Then the sum of their ages, we're going to add 28 plus 56 equals 84. So in this situation, therefore our answer is correct. Okay, next problem, number 2. Jane is 1/2 as old as Celine. 6 years ago, Jane is 25, less than Lane's age. How old are they 6 years ago? Okay, the problem asking for the previous year's age of Jane and Lynn. So, our solution, we have also to have a representation just to determine who is the x. Okay, let x be the present age of Lynn, and 1/2 x be the present age of Jane. Lane age 6 years ago is x minus 6. Okay, we're going to minus if it is asking for the past or ago. Jane age 6 years ago, 1/2 x minus 6. Other relation we have, based on the problem, we have Jane is 25 less than Lane age. So if we're going to translate this into sentence, we have mathematical sentence, we have Jane equals to x minus 6 minus 25. Okay, our equation, Jane's age ago equals Lane age ago. This is just a matter of comparison. So we have to solve the equation. Jane's age ago is 1 half x minus 6 equals Lane age ago is we have quantity x minus 6 minus 25. Okay, 1 half x minus 6 equals, we're going to simplify at the right side of the equation. We have x, then minus 6 minus 25, we're going to add because like sign, we have now 31. And then the result of the new equation is 1 half x minus 6 equals x minus 31. So we're going to divide it by 2, both sides, in order to eliminate the denominator of the fraction. Okay, 2 times 1 equals 2, divided by 2 equals 1 times 6 equals x. 2 times minus 6 equals negative 12, equals x minus 2 equals 2x, then negative 31 times 2, we have negative 62. And then we have to combine, now we're going to transpose the variable at the left side of the equation and the constant at the right side of the equation. Okay, we have to transpose positive 2x at the left side of the equation, becomes now x negative 2x equals negative 62, transpose the constant, negative 12 becomes now positive 12. Then combine like terms, so x minus 2x equals negative x. Minus 62 plus 12, we have negative 50. And then since we're going to solve for x, we're going to divide it by negative 1, both sides, and we have now positive x equals 50. So if we're going to check if our answer is correct, Lane age is 6 years ago, we have x minus 6, so since our x is 50, minus 6 equals 44. Jane's age 6 years ago, 1 up x minus 6 equals 1 up, and Jane's x equals 50, that's the value of x, then divided by 2 equals 25 minus 6. Then 25 minus 6 equals 19. Jane is 25 less than Lane age. It's become the age of Jane is 44 minus 99 equals 25 less than it. Correct. So our complete answer, Lane age is 6 years ago is 44 and Jane age 6 years ago is 19.